Hey, welcome to the channel. It's Jack, the muscle and mobility maker with Stronghold Strength and Conditioning. And today, I'm taking you through one mobility that you should be using right before you squat so that you can improve your overall technique and form. But before we get into it, make sure you take a moment and hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on future content like this. Every Saturday, I'm putting out videos showing you how to resolve aches and pains, prevent injuries, and overall optimize your performance inside the gym and outside of it in your daily life and routine. And it doesn't get better than that. So take advantage of it. Ready? Let's go ahead and dive into this one. All right, like I said, today I'm going to be taking you through one mobility that you should be using prior to your squats that will help you improve your ankle mobility, your mobility at the knee, the flexion you can get there, and the mobility of your hip, the flexion and the external rotation that you can get there, as well as your ability to abduct at the hip on the other side. That is something that's very important that sets you up for nice mobile squats where you can get more depth and have more stability at the same time. Now you may have seen this exercise before, but today I'm going to be showing it in a variation that I believe is more effective, a little bit superior to what's been shown previously. So this exercise is called the kettlebell hip shift. I'll reveal that right here. And today we're not even going to use a kettlebell, but we're going to be using a band. And I'm going to show you how to set that up. I'll talk you through it right now, and we'll get into that exercise so that you can be using it prior to your squats to set yourself up for some success here. All right, here we go. So you're gonna take a large resistance band and loop it around a post so that it comes through itself. Now you wanna get that nice and tight to the post there at the bottom so you have as much band on the other end as possible. And we're gonna open up that end of the band to make a nice big circle that you can fit inside of. So you're gonna start by slipping yourself inside that band so that you're all the way in, and that band can be placed on the hip on the opposite side from that post there. Now we want that band low so that it is pulling at that downward angle that you see right there. Once I have that around my hips, around my pelvis there, I'm gonna step away so that I get some tension in that band, and I'm gonna bring myself into a half kneeling position where I bring the leg that's up inside the band here. So that's very important. I want that leg inside the band. Really, you can't set it up any other way with the band there, otherwise it'll get in your way. Once I have that position, now I'm going to actually activate against the band for about 5 seconds, resisting it, pushing away, stretching. So my adductors are gonna pull, my quads are gonna work. I have my calf muscles actually extending through the floor. So I'm using all that musculature to press away, and then I'm gonna relax into a deep stretch there, letting the band pull me in further each time with each rep. So 5 seconds on with activation, and then about 10 seconds, just relax into it deeper and deeper each time. You can see that we're gaining range of motion here already. So that active, contract, relax is really where we get a huge benefit in this position compared to what you would do with the kettlebell hip shift in this way. Now here I'm going to show it from the back angle as well so you can kind of see what that looks like. One thing I'm really concentrating on with the leg that's up is that knee actively pulling open toward my small toes. The leg that's up, I want that knee pulling toward the small toes. You can see that angle here from the back especially well. And then I'm trying to keep myself as squared as possible to the wall that's in front of me. So I don't want to rotate at all through my torso here. And I do want to keep my abs braced. I do want to keep my core engaged a bit as I do this. I like to slide my hand on that inner leg just to kind of encourage that leg angle that we're going for. And again, take your time, settle into the deeper positions, let the band pull you in, and take whatever it'll give you. All right, and there you have it. How to set up the kettlebell hip shift with a resistance band so that you can make it a little bit more effective, pulling yourself into deeper positions using that band, and so that you can set yourself up better for your squats. If you like this video, make sure you let me know by clicking that big thumbs up down below. Take a moment to share this one with a friend who's looking for a nice quick squat warm-up that they can do. Really, you could do, again, about 2 minutes of this per side and you'll be ready to go. And if you are somebody that struggles with a current training ache or injury that's keeping you from squatting at the level that you really want to, or performing at the level that you want to in the gym, period, and you want my direct help resolving that in the next 12 weeks, what I want you to do right now is drop down below in the description to fill out a coaching application and schedule a mobility blueprint call. This is our opportunity to get on a Zoom call together so that I can first of all take you through an assessment, gather the information that I need to tailor a program specific to your needs, and then lay out for you in full detail on that call what that program is going to look like for you and answer any questions that you have. If that sounds good to you, go ahead right now, get in the description there, fill out that coaching application, schedule that call, and we'll get you moving in the right direction. Last but not least, if you have not already, make sure you take a moment and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content like this. Every Saturday, I'm putting out videos showing you how to resolve aches and pains, prevent injuries, and overall optimize your performance inside the gym and outside of it in your daily life and routine. It does not get better than that. Welcome to the Stronghold Army. We'll see you next week.